Hi everybody. I'm here to talk to you today about using Gmail on your iPhone, your iPad, your desktop, laptop, or Android device. And for those of you that don't know, which I'm sure most of you do, but there are a few that may not, this is an Android device. This is a Samsung tablet, and it does have Gmail on it, located in a folder. And so you're able to access your Gmail account. That's on an Android. This is an Apple. This happens to be the Apple iPhone. I couldn't get my iPad to download this here, so I apologize for that. But I also have Gmail downloaded on mine, and I'm able to get into my work email. So if you have an Apple product, the iPad, an Android, whether it be an Android tablet or phone, or the iPhone, they pretty much all work the same way. But I'm going to go through and walk you through some of this stuff and hopefully clear up some things. So, Google Chrome. If you don't already have Google Chrome, download it to your device. On your desktop or laptop, simply go to Google on the internet and type in Google Chrome and hit the download button. It'll be right there on the internet for you. From your phone, your tablet or Android device, iPhone or iPad, go to the App Store. Type in Gmail and download. If you're doing it from the Android device and you don't have Gmail already downloaded on it, go to the Google Play Store, type in Gmail and download it. Google Chrome. You're going to type that into the search button. When Google Chrome pops up, download it from there. How to make a shortcut to Gmail using Chrome. So if you have a desktop or a laptop computer, you can make a shortcut to your desktop so that you don't have to keep going in through the internet to get to your Gmail account. So once you've downloaded Chrome, now you're using Chrome, you're going to go to the Gmail homepage, choose More Tools from Chrome's drop-down menu. In the Tools menu, you'll see either it'll say Add to Desktop or Create a Shortcut. Click on that option and follow the quick instructions in there. The icon should appear on the desktop automatically. If your version of Windows supports it, you can then also right-click on the icon and get the option. You can pin it to your taskbar or pin it to your Start menu if you want to do that. Now, if you pin it to the taskbar, what that would do is, like on a computer screen, you'll have all this little thing at the bottom of your desktop, and that is your taskbar. So your Gmail, this icon will show up down here on your taskbar. If you add it to the desktop, this icon will show up someplace on your desktop so that you would just be able to click on it. And you can also just drag the icon to the taskbar and it'll stay there. So for devices, iPhones, iPads, and Android devices, many Android devices already come with Gmail downloaded on them already. If it isn't on your Android device, again, you can go to the Google Play Store, type in Gmail, and download it. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, you're going to go to the App Store on your iPhone or your iPad, type in Gmail, and download. This is the iPhone. This is an Android. Your work email. So, if you don't have your own Gmail account currently, simply click on the icon once. You're going to click on your Gmail icon that you just downloaded. Follow the prompts to gain access to your Shen School's email. In order to do this, you absolutely must know your Shen School's password that you set up. If you have not had access to your emails at all and don't remember your password, please call dispatch right away, and I have put the number on there for you to see. Give me a call and we'll make sure that you get a password so that you are able to get into your Shen School's account. If you already have your own Gmail account, as many of you do, you will have to add your Shen Schools email account. To do this, open your Gmail app. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see a little circle with your initial in it. Tap that initial. This is going to open up another menu, and this is the menu that will open. On that menu, locate Add Another Account. You will come to set up email, and there are several email account providers to choose from. You want Google. Follow the prompts to sign into your Shen Gmail account. You will need your email. For example, mine is dentlore@shenschools.org, and then it would ask you for your password that you must know. Again, if you don't know your password, give us a call. The sign-in area. This is the image of the sign-in area where you put in your email information. After you hit next, it will bring you to the password section. Type in your password. This will then bring you to your Shen Work email. Now, you're in your Shen Work email. You want to get back to your personal email account. In order to switch back, you're going to find your initial in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to click on your initial, and then it will bring you to this menu again, and right there is my personal email. So I would hit that, and that would bring me right back to my personal email account. And this is true both in Apple and Android products. So if I need to get back to work, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on the circle, which will be in this upper right-hand corner. It's going to have some kind of a color to it and an initial in it. It'll either be your mine, it happens to be L. It'll be some part of your name. An initial will be there, and you'll just click on that, and you can toggle between these two accounts at any point. From here, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms and click on links to access bid information. So if you'd stand by for just a moment. All right. This is our summer absence form. This will no longer be effective as of this Friday, but it's an example to show you. We're going to have one for fall too. We will be sending you the link in your email. You will click on that link, which will bring you to a form that looks almost identical to this. When you get this form, it would be advisable for you to bookmark it. I am bookmarking it from a desktop, but you also can do this as well from your Android product or your iPhone as well. So in this particular instance, I'm going to click on these three little dots here, and I'm going to go down to bookmarks, and I'm going to click bookmark this tab, and it says summer absence form transportation. I'm not putting it in the Traversa folder. I want to put it in the bookmarks bar, and then done. So that is now in my bookmarks bar. So if I want to get to it, I'm going to click on the three dots again. I'm going to click bookmarks, and all of my bookmarks are here. And at the bottom is my summer absence form. I click on that, and this is where it brings me. When you fill in your summer absence form, you're going to fill in your email, which will be mine in particular, dentlore@shenschools.org. So it is your Shen Schools email. Your name, what unit you belong to, if you're a CSEA employee, or like for Belinda, me, Lisa, we're SUSA. And I'm going to be absent, let's say, tomorrow. And I'm going to be absent only in the morning. And I will be out for 2.5 hours. And I'm going to use sick time. And then I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to submit it. And then Belinda will get this and ask me what I'm doing. And I will say, okay. So now we're going to access our bidding materials. This happens to be from this summer. And I'm sure that Anastasia, they probably went through it with you, but I'm going to go through it again. So this is my email, and this is the summer 2020 bidding materials. I'm going to click on my email, and It says, good morning. You'll find the blocks for summer 2020 bidding here. And when I hover over this line, I hit my little hand, which tells me I can click on that link. That's the link you want to click on. And that is going to bring you, this is to the bid books. So here's block 1. It's an 8-hour AM, noon, and PM. It's route number 514A. It tells me where it goes, that it needs an attendant, air conditioning is required, and there's wheelchairs on this bus. And if you scroll down, whether you have your iPhone, iPad, or tablet device, you can scroll down. I know on the tablet sometimes it can be more difficult to see, probably not so much this, but the master schedule, because it's kind of on legal size paper. You have to flip your tablet or your iPad or iPhone so that it's lengthwise to look at it, and you may have to scroll over to the right or to the left to see all of the information. And I know sometimes this can be cumbersome. If you have a desktop, if you're computer savvy or tech savvy rather, and you know how to project from your tablet to your television screen, that sometimes is helpful as well. Now I'm going to see if I can get in, and I can. Here is the bid master schedule that goes with the summer bid books. And again, this is the link. I'm going to click on it. And here is the master schedule, which you can see even on a desktop. We can't see everything. But for example, this is block number 1, 8 hours. When it went to Brian and Dana. These are the times. That's the morning time, the noon time, and the PM time. And then I'm going to scroll over on the desktop, going down to the little arrows at the bottom, hovering over and clicking. This gives me the route numbers and any other pertinent information that I might need to know. For example, this block went to Vanderheiden. This one goes to Parsons, LaSalle, Albany, St. Anne's. This one requires a one-to-one aid. So this is the information that you will be sent for fall bid, and that is how you access your bid information through your email. You'll find it there in your email. It will tell you clearly, for example, this is summer 2020 bidding materials. Yours will say fall 2020 bidding materials, and that's the email that you want and where you find all of the runs. All right, and we're going to talk a little bit about it's bid day, and you know that Kevin Levine is ahead of you. He is you bid right behind Kevin Levine. So you want to find out what Kevin Levine is going to take. So if you want to find that out and you're on a desktop, you're going to hit Control F and it will bring up this little screen here. And you will type in Kevin's last name. And I can see one of 2. So I'm going to hit this little down arrow. Oh, there's a Deb Levine, but it's not Deb I want. It's Kevin, and there he is. Kevin took block 15, a 5-hour run. So now I know what Kevin has taken, and if I had chose that run, I could pick my second run that I had scheduled. And that's how to do it on a desktop. If you are a tech-savvy person and you have an iPad, an Android, an iPhone, any of those things, what I would do is go to Google and I would type in the search bar, how to search in Google Sheets from an iPad, from a Samsung Android, from an iPhone, and that will give you explicit directions on how to do that. So everybody, you have learned how to get into your emails. You've learned from the Android to the Apple products, to the desktop, to the laptops, how to get into your emails. I also showed you how to do a summer absence form. The fall absence form will be the same thing, just will say fall on it. You will get an email from work, from Anastasia in your account. You want to click on that link and bookmark it. You can bookmark it to your Android, you can bookmark it to your Apple. If you need assistance with this, You can call us at any time and we'll help you with that. I showed you how to bookmark it to a desktop or a laptop. And again, any one of us are here at any time that you need assistance. Give us a call. You can talk to Valerie, you can call me, you can call Anastasia. We're here to help. Don't hesitate. We will help you get this technology and work with it. And we absolutely must learn how to use this technology because we're not allowed right now to put paper absence forms in mailboxes and all of that stuff. We can't take paper forms, so you're going to have to use your email. And we are trying desperately to help you in any way that we can. And that being said, have a wonderful day and we'll see you soon.